Guess what? Today I picked up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my gosh. Yes, I got the creator combo. I'm so excited because I've been wanting this for some months now and it's been talked about and hyped up for a little bit of time now. So I'm excited that I finally got my hands on it and actually try it out. So stay tuned. I got the creator combo. I got some scissors to get the plastic off. Oh my goodness. This was the last one that they had in the store. It was just for me. At least that's what I'm telling myself. It was just for me. So, oh my goodness, y'all. So excited. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is what I'm assuming is the carry case for it. It says DJI right here. Well, I'm about to unwrap it, but what else comes in here? Of course, like instruction guides. I believe this is a DJI sticker, which is pretty cute. I'm not going to use it, but it's cute. And then it's this box in here as well. And this is, what is this? Oh, this is the hard case, the hard cover for the camera. So we're gonna unwrap all of this. All right. Okay, no, for real. Here is the case. Here is the camera and everything else inside. All right, let's see what it's giving. What? It's mine. What? That's insane. Okay, we have Pocket 3. It smells new. Like, it smells like new camera. Here's the camera itself. Okay. Cool, cool. Here is, what is this? The microphone. I believe this is the battery pack, if I'm not mistaken. The battery pack. Tripod. The handle extender. I'm showing you all this, but I'm going to unwrap it, I promise. This is for the microphone, the little puff thing. Sorry, I shouldn't say the puff thing. That's not the term. I believe it's the wind diffuser, I believe. The charging cord and the wide angle lens. Magnet for the microphone. Alrighty. Do really like the case. Of course, the whole point of this camera is for it to be convenient. I think this is going to be easy to just throw into my bag, but then of course the camera itself is so easy to just throw into a bag, which is what I'm most excited about. It's so small, like here's my hand. Here's the camera. That is insane to me. And to see the videos where people show the quality of it, it's so small, it packs a punch though. All right, let's pull her. Period. Okay, I don't know where to start. Here's thing for the lanyard, charging cable. I'm gonna keep this wrapped up, but the charging cable for right now. The microphone, and then the magnet for the microphone. She's strong. This is real strong. Here's the extender. Has the screw at the bottom. Screw the tripod in, just like this. This is the extra battery pack. It has the thing to plug in at the bottom of the camera, and then I believe this is where the charger will go. It's the tripod. Real cute. Here's the wide angle lens. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Snaps right on top. Really small. It screws in at the bottom of the camera. This is long now. Oh, start it on. I'll set it up in a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. It's really a gimbal. That's DJI did their thing with this one. I'm sorry. This is cool. For the mic, we put this on. Just goes in, looks like, yeah. Very simple setup, very simple camera, which I definitely appreciate. So let's set her up. So we're going to choose English. All right, let me turn it this way so y'all can see what I'm looking at. So now, device name, scan the QR code to download the DJ Mimo to connect to the camera unit to activate. So it looks like I have an app to download already. Okay, so let me do that really quick and then I'll be back. I am excited, I will admit it. I will admit it. So it's turned on. My phone is installing the firmware and stuff for the app and the camera to connect. So I'm just like tapping. It's literally, you know, like first time stuff. So it's walking me through all the things that I need to know with the camera. I am so like, what? What? This is crazy. What? Oh my gosh. Yeah, y'all. I turned the camera off to install the app and it like really started hitting me and I just was like, oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm excited. Over here for like the last 5 minutes just playing around with it. The quality of it from this little screen looks amazing. I like am able to flip it, same quality camera, like from the front. What? Like what? Oh my god, this eats. I want to wait a couple days, play with it for a little bit, just see how I like it, and then come back and actually give like a full kind of review. That's the goal. But I love this. I love this so far. Like, just a first impression. I'm like, yeah, I can already tell I'm going to have fun with this little thing. So, yeah, this is the SD card I have. Let's open it up so we can actually record, because you can't record without the SD card. It just goes inside of the camera. LOL, wrong way. Here it is. All right, and it's in.